Daniel's down in here digging her holes for us. Now, our subscribers have been with us for a while. This here is something they see us do every year. We got that thing, Carolyn and Dan had got it for me a long time ago there at the thrift store. And folks, it works. It works perfect with solo cups. Yep. And it digs it deep. And what we like to do in the bottom of it, we'll put a little bit of calcium. And I'll show you that there. Well, go ahead and finish digging. I'll get that dug out of the bag there in a second, Dan. Show them how it works. Okay. So far, oh good Lord, Daniel, watch the plants. Oh, disaster's done struck, folks. This in here is going to be all of our paste tomatoes planted in here. We're getting low on all of our juices and ketchup and tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. So Carolyn said we need to really focus this year on those. So far, the wiggle wire is working, folks. As long as we don't get a great big storm come through and whoosh. Like I told Dan, if that happens, I hope we at least get it on video. Well, folks, I ain't gonna bore you no more. We'll let Daniel get back to work here. And you can see, it goes down pretty soft. Yep. For the most part. If he hits the hole right there where we planted last year, does really well. Now this dirt here, what we'll do, we'll take it and Carolyn can have it for like her flowers and stuff like that there. Well, I'm going to let you go for now, folks. We'll show you the next step when we get started on that. Yeah, you can hear the goats. They're singing to us. Alrighty. Folks, we'll see you in just a little bit. Alrighty, folks. Now I know everybody's got their own thing what to put in the tomato hole. What we'll do, we'll put 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, 1 teaspoon of calcium nitrate, and then if I can get it out. I got a bigger bag up there. I just didn't want to waste this other one.
No, Dixie.
Get back, little girl. I'll go down through putting all these in. This here is just, as you can see, it's from last year. Pretty, get a thing of that.
Yeah.
Now, like I said, everybody's their own. But what we do, we'll put a little bit of dirt. Yeah, hi little girl. We'll put a thing of dirt in on top of that, so the roots aren't actually touching that there yet. Okay, got that covered up. Now Carolyn will come behind me, put a plant down in there, let's get started, folks. Folks, we're on the second day of planting. Me and Mom's working on getting these done here. Dad's at work. We're still doing the same thing we was doing before, putting the teaspoon of each thing in, then putting some dirt in after it. Instead of using fence, we decided to use this string here. We was going to pull some fence down in, and Dad decided that we just use some of this hay twine here. I think it'll work pretty good. Then as they come up, we'll just clip it to the string. Now I've dug the holes out for the peppers, and while Mom's still putting the tomatoes in, I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff in for the peppers. Alright, let's continue what we's doing.
What's that?
Finishing off with my hot peppers, and then we got about 5 more tomatoes to plant. Yeah, that'll have greenhouse filled up then, won't it, Mama?
Yeah, there's a few left tomatoes.
Yeah, I told him that.
Tell him we got 15 peppers in it.
We got 15 peppers.
Regular peppers.
Well, that's regular peppers left. We planted 15 of the regular peppers and 4 of my
We
others.
skipped one hole.
We skipped 1 hole and then put 4 in.
Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching us. This here was us planting some of our tomatoes. And here towards the end, Carolyn's planting some peppers, her and Dan. Folks, we really appreciate each and every one of you. All of our old subscribers, thank you for sticking with us. And I'd like to welcome all of our new subscribers. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all have a blessed week. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday for What's for Supper. Hope you all have a blessed week. Thank you again for watching. Take care.